About to sleep with Fernie.
Yo, nah.
Me and him about to share this bed.
Nah, bro, you got your own bed over there.
What?
Record your own bed.
What happened?
Record your own damn bed.
But what happened? What's good, everybody? It's 6:20 in the morning on a Saturday. About to head to the ranch. About to get ready. Gotta pack some clothes. Fortunately, everybody's sleeping, so gotta wake them up. It's now 6:53. Got the bags packed. Say what up, Jenny. I got my one daughter here. And then I got another daughter right here. Sleeping like a human. Gotta pack my stuff in the car. It's pretty bright out right now. You know, when you're a boyfriend, you gotta carry all the heavy stuff. Bernie's up. Man's up early as hell. Say what up, yo. You still got a fit. My girl trying to get her 19-year-old dog to pee. It's already 7 a.m. now. We're supposed to be gone at 5:30. She's supposed to be going to pee, and she's actually falling asleep. So I gotta put some air in my tire. It's at the gas station. Gas is $4.09. Kind of expensive, but low-key it looks like it's gonna rain. Fill the tires. Like pumping that gas. About to hit the road. Ya tú sabes. Bro, that's yours. Oh, that one's yours. Yo, chill, bro. Chill, bro. Jenny home. Because unfortunately, she's not going with us. She's going to Minnesota. She lucked out. She got lucky. Take me with you, please. I don't want to go to the ranch. Take me with you. 8:15 a.m. And Fernie's making me do a little pit stop for him, of course. We dragging right now, but made a little pit stop to get some food. You already know what it is. Bag secured, y'all. Got the freaking sausage burritos, the McGriddle. About to chow down. If you're ever in the Chicagoland area, they have some fire-ass carnitas. My girl took me to a different location. It was smacking. Finally made it. Time for work. It's the brownie.
Cutting some corn. We're gonna do some tucunu called tamalito in Spanish.
Sprite sponsor us.
Bubbly.
Bubbly Sprite. It's
Sponsor
bubbly.
us.
Oh, bubbly.
We drink
my
your
bad.
sparkling water all the time.
That's how you know I'm fat, because I thought it was a Sprite.
Yeah.
Cutting some chicken wings now.
Some chicken wings. The tamalitos, the tucunu
Corn
tamalitos
right
coming.
there. This is all for Fernie.
That's for Barney.
His birthday's tomorrow. Now you guys know who's the favorite.
Your favorite.
About to head to the property. Brought the trailer with us, so we can put all the stumps and all the trash that we need to throw away. There we go. Yeah. Just loaded up the whole trailer with all the wood that we chopped up. First step is to load up all that wood that we just did. Next step is we gotta throw the fence out. Just chunking on the gas. Now we're throwing the firewood over here to the side. We're gonna cut it up, chop it up, use it for firewood for our ranch. Stiger always following my uncle. But I gotta find a spot to throw these stumps up. There we go. Now the trailer's empty. Eso. Now we back for the gate. Mr. Flexer. Still got a little more left. Split fence, garbage. Try to get this last piece up. Eso. It's empty now. It ain't clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cooking. It's going crazy.
Right here.
Uncle Roger. Give it up, Uncle Roger.
Right here.
Doing dukuno right there, boy.
This is our rancho kitchen.
That's the...
This is our kitchen where we cook. Where the boys made us our first little kitchen.
process the tamalitos.
Known as dukuno. Belizean style. Made from the Maya hands of grandma. Scoop. 2 scoops. Whee!
Tamalitos are done, they just gotta get cooked. So it got too rainy outside. So it looks like that's gonna be the end of cleaning. So we're just gonna chill right now. We're gonna chill today. Kick it and relax. And just celebrate Fernie's 21st, grill, eat, have some fun. Dom always cooking as usual. And this is the how Ecuadorian people be eating.
Yeah.
Mote?
Mm-hmm.
Mote. That's the meat.
Meat, that's all we need.
Yes, sir. Already sipping on this happy birthday cup that they made for him. Grilling up, chilling. We're kicking it now. Even the chicken's trying to get covered from the rain. Oh, he sees me. He sees me. He mad. He mad. Oh, he mad too. All right, let me get out of here. We got my Abby. Sonoma dancing as always.
Una bailadita when you're cooking.
No matter the weather, we still eating good. Yes, sir. You already know how we be doing it out here. Gotta put tarps up because it's raining hella hard. So the rain don't get in and hit us. It's always a solution to everything. You already know. The power's out. It's cool though. It's not about what you have. It's about what you already have. She's chilling. She's just happy we don't gotta clean. Headed out late as hell. About to take Cody home. Oh shit. Yeah, that's never a good sign. The car just stops. On the way back, it's just me, myself, and I. Scoot over.
No.
Pero, ya tú sabes. Gotta stay humble. I guess.
Back to humble beginnings, my boy.
Ya tú sabes, I guess.
What's up, Instagram? I'm here.
For you.
Water's a little scarce out here.
Water. Yo, what the fuck?
Oh, sorry. It's Fernie's actual birthday today. He's 21 years old. How do you feel? Older?
Feel like a new man.
Feels like a new man.
At 9:30 in the morning, I got surgery. I took him out.
Damn.
9:30 in the morning, we were born.
We're really now 21, 22, 23.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just pulled up.
What's up, man?
My dad right there. Yup. We're about to eat. Just smacking.
Oh, really?
I gotta put these to finish the deck. Do the flooring. Go, Mr. Bob.
Right here.
Deck's going now. How the deck looks now. Oh, damn.
You like Uncle Juice because Uncle Juice used to buy a Burger King.
Gotta quick little pit stop at the gas station. Little G Fuel, the Chug Rug. 5. Finally made it back home. My girl got me some Portillo's. You already know, good eats, yes sir. You know, going crazy. Right here looking clean. Damn. You already know. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it.
Subscribe the channel, please. We want to get to that 1,000.